It is official. We've had the magical golden cross on the ICP chart, but what do we need to happen for the bulls to drive the price parabolic? And this is where we're going to start with the golden cross. So what is the golden cross? This is this here. This is the 200 period moving average. This is the 50 period moving average. We're on the daily chart, so it's a 50-day moving average and a 200-day moving average. These things carry a lot of weight behind them. You always hear people saying, don't use moving averages, they're lagging indicators. They are lagging indicators, but these things do carry weight and they can identify whether your trend is your friend at the time or whether it's against you at the time. So just an example, we've got this 200 crossing over the 50. Now, what you want to see with moving averages is you want to see them fanning in your direction. And that can help you identify whether you're in a bullish trend or a bearish trend. What you want to see is, in this instance, we've got the 200, the 50, and the 20. You want to see some kind of order. And the way that I like to think about it is a traffic light system. You've got the green at the bottom, you've got the yellow in the middle, and you've got the red at the top. In a bullish trend, and in a bearish trend, you'd have the green at the top, you'd have the yellow in the middle, and you have the red at the bottom. So if you think of it a traffic light system and you think about it when it's in your direction, you're looking for pullbacks and you're looking for entries at that pullback to make another move to the upside. So where are we expecting price to pull back on ICP? We know one thing, it hit our extension levels that we talked about. So we've got move to the upside, move to the downside, back to where price action hit, and it's hit this golden 618 level. So if we put this Fibonacci extension to the previous low, you can see it's hit our one-to-one equal measured move. We need a one-to-one equal measured move for the trend to be intact. So we're expecting a pullback and we're looking for clues on this pullback. We're looking for clues. Where do we look for clues? The magical number, 61.8% retracement. How did price react when it got to the 61.8% retracement? Let's have a look. And for any of you guys that didn't watch my last video, how to identify a weak, a strong, a medium, bullish or bearish candle, go and watch this last video because this is an educational one and this is going to give you an edge. It's going to help you understand how to read the markets. So we've hit the 618. This is the daily. Hit the 618. Strong engulfing bullish candle. What does that mean? At this 618 level, what did we talk about? Buy orders. People are waiting for price to pull back at this level, and then the buyers have pushed price straight back to the top, showing that they've got momentum at this point. So I'm waiting for, if we just go into the 4 hours, a break and a close. Remember, flag, break, boom. That's what we're waiting for. So we can go in a smaller time frame to find out if we've got any kind of break and if we've got any kind of retest. So just stick a simple trend line on there. This is our momentum. This is the 4 hour. Each one of these candles now represents 4 hours of price action. So we've moved into a smaller time frame to find clues. We can see here, boom, it's come back, smashed through the trend, retested, and it's testing our 20-day moving average. This is currently acting as support. So this area here should act as our support zone. Pop that in there. That should act as our support zone. If we're wrong, price pulls back down, it's pulling back into trend. We know we're wrong. We know we're wrong, and we know that that is the low. So that's what I'm looking for. Now, extensions, where can price move to? Back to the daily. And now we're looking for extensions. So what we're doing is we're putting our Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom to the top, and we're pushing it back down to the bottom, and we're looking for extensions. We're looking for 1618 and 1272 extensions. So the 1272 extension is sitting at 1840. The 1618 extension is sitting at $21.04. So those are the price targets if we do manage to break this high, and that's the price targets that I'm expecting. Like I say, this golden cross carries a lot of weight. You can see the flagging in the direction we want. We want green at the bottom, we want yellow in the middle, we want red at the top, and we want to see how price reacts when it comes back down to test these. So if you did enjoy this video, like I say, watch this tutorial on how to read price action. Take care and goodbye from me.